Hello friends, I'm Anvesha and I welcome all of you to my channel Aspiring Banker Anvesha. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. In the description box, I have given a link to the entire English playlist. Please go to the link and practice the questions from the videos. So in today's video, I will be discussing error detection questions from the Hindu newspaper. So let's start. Mr. Biden has signaled that he will revert back to the traditional norms and patterns of American foreign policy and more so its diplomacy. Mr. Biden, singular noun. And with this singular verb has, this is absolutely correct. Has, have and had. With has, have and had, third form of verb is used, okay? So this is V3, signaled, so this is also correct. Signaled that he will. May, might, shall, should, can, could, will, would, plus V1. So V1, this is also correct. Now revert means what? Revert means to reply or to come back, right? So with revert, back is not used. This is superfluous, okay? Superfluous, okay? Back should not be used. So this is incorrect, okay? So revert to the traditional norms and patterns of American foreign policy and more so its diplomacy. Whose diplomacy? America's diplomacy, and that's why it has been used. So the error is in part B and the error is of superfluous error, okay? Next, the abrasiveness, turbulence of the Donald Trump era. Turbulence is a noun and abrasiveness ends in NESS, so this is also a noun. So this is incorrect. Turbulence is a noun. You need an adjective to modify the noun. So instead of abrasiveness, which is a noun, you need an adjective. So it should be the abrasive. Abrasive is an adjective, okay? Turbulence of the Donald Trump era will give. Will plus V1. This is correct. Will give way to calmer and predictable American policies. American policies, this is this policies, this is the noun, okay? And the adjectives for the noun are calmer and predictable. And postures, as Mr. Biden will seek, will plus V1. To re-establish, 2 plus V1, this is also correct. In large measure, measure is a noun here and large is an adjective. American involvement ends in MENT, so this is a noun and American is an adjective, okay? In the critical issues of our times, issues, noun, critical, adjective. So the error is in part A, okay? Part A, instead of noun you have to use an adjective. Now let's come to the next question. The intensity of competition is evident from the fact that after India passed 3 labour code bills on September 23, Indonesian Parliament on October 5 passed a legislation, the / regulations contained in more than 70 separate existing laws to open in the country to more foreign investment. The intensity of competition, intensity is a noun and that's why the has been used. Of competition is evident. Now this evident, this is an adjective for the noun intensity, okay? Is evident from the fact that after India passed 3 labour code bills, okay? After India passed 3 labour, now the sentence is in simple past and that's why V2 has been used. 3 plural, so bills plural. On September 23, date, before date you should use on. Okay, date, so before date on should be used. Indonesian Parliament on October 5, again date and that's why on. Passed a legislation, V2, because the sentence is in simple past. A legislation, noun, and that's why a. That slash, now this is a verb and this verb is used for which noun? For legislation. This legislation has / regulations, okay? Legislation. Now legislation is a singular noun. right? So you need a singular verb. So instead of slash, it should be slashes. That slashes regulations contained in more than 70 separate existing 70, so this is plural and that's why laws to open in the country to more foreign investment. Now this is wrong, open in is wrong, okay, because the sentence wants to say that the country will allow more foreign investment, or the country wants more foreign investment. So instead of open in, it should be open up. To open up the country to more foreign investment. Okay, open up means what? Open up means to allow the country, or to encourage more foreign investment. Okay, so it should be open up and not open in. Okay, open in is wrong, there is no meaning, meaningless. Next, only a few days are left for SBI PO examination, and keeping that in mind, Unacademy has brought free English test for you all, and this test is curated by Nimisha ma'am, and the analysis will also be done by her, and the tests are going to start from 29th November until 26th of December. The link is given in the description box down below. Please enroll the free tests and prepare yourself. So there are two errors here. The first error is in part C and the second error is in part D. Next, the governor of Tamil Nadu, Banwarilal Purohit, has continue, singular, and that's why singular verb has. Okay, has plus V3 should be used, but this is V1, so this is incorrect. Instead of continue, it should be continued. Continued to withhold. 2 plus V1, this is correct. His decision on an application seeking pardon filed by AG Peravalan, one of the 7 prisoners. One of plus plural noun. One of plus plural noun. So this is also correct. Convicted in the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case. So the error is in part A. Rest of the parts are correct. Okay. Now next question. Giving a blow-by-blow account of the Abbottabad. So look at this part, blow by blow. So this is what? Noun plus noun, and in between them you have a preposition. So when you have two same nouns and between them you have a preposition, you have to keep both the nouns in singular form. Always remember this, okay? Like row upon row, row upon row. You cannot write rows upon rows, row upon row. Similarly, blow by blow. Account of the Abbottabad raid by American commandos that killed the world's most wanted terrorist on May 2, 2011. In his latest book, A Promised Land, the former US president said the top secret operation is opposed by the then Defense Secretary Robert Gates and his former Vice President Joe Biden, who is now the president-elect. Okay. So, giving a blow-by-blow account of the Abbottabad raid by American commandos that killed. Now, this raid killed the world's most wanted terrorist. The world's most wanted terrorist on. So, this is a date, and that's why on has been used in his latest book. Latest book means most recent book, A Promised Land. The former US president said the top secret operation. Now these things, the entire thing, all the things are happening in the past. So here the present verb is incorrect. Okay, instead of is, it should have been was. Was opposed by the then Defense Secretary Robert Gates and his former Vice President Joe Biden, who is now. Now Joe Biden is now. This is about the present. So that's why is has been used. This is correct. So the error is in part C.